Hi, and welcome to the Web Development for Beginners course. In this in this course, you'll learn about the basics of the internet, about the basics of web development, what skills do you need, and some of the basic languages and just basic stuff about web development. You'll learn the three things a website is made of, and there are pages, links, and forms. We will go into much more detail in the course. You will learn the three things a web page is made for, which are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then we are going to look at the page source of different websites to see how they function, how they work, what languages do they use, and to understand a little bit better how the internet works. Then we're going to learn how the internet works, we're going to learn about IP addresses, domain names, servers, and the web browser, how it renders the files, and all things like this. Then we're going to learn the three ways to make a web page, which are a static HTML file, server-side language, which brings the HTML, and server-side language plus database, which combined prints some HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We'll learn about front-end, back-end, and what is the difference. For example, front-end is made of front-end languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and back-end is made from server-side script languages and databases like, for example, PHP and MySQL, or Python and Django, or everything can be a server-side language when you compile it and make it a format which a web server like Apache can read and execute, stuff like this. We're going to learn what is a full stack web developer. And a full stack web developer is basically someone who writes both front-end and back-end source code. We're going to learn how database servers work, and basically I will show you a simple database with the interface, the query language, and how all things are put together to make a website or something like a web application. How databases work. We're going to go into much more details about rows and columns, types of the data, how they connect with each other with different keys like primary keys, foreign keys, unique keys, and how we can optimize our tables and database. And then we're going to finish with the three things you're going to do next. I'm super excited about this course, so let's get started.